use your time wisely. Time is of the essence. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So you have to make sure that you're making the most of your time. You're using your time as efficiently as possible. Every minute counts. It might not seem like it does, but it will later. The more you spend time putting yourself on hold, not choosing yourself, putting your dreams on hold and hoping that you get the right time you're hoping that you get the perfect time to be able to start working on who you want to be, in order for you to start maybe changing a career path, maybe working on weight loss, whatever it is that you're trying to do. You have to do it now. There's no better time than now. You don't want to look back and realize how much time you wasted, and we always see this when it comes to the end of the year. You probably do reflect at the end of the year to see how your year went, what you achieved, what you didn't achieve. You don't want to look back year on year and realize that you haven't done anything last few years, because you're always thinking, next year I'm going to do this, my next year's New Year's resolution will be this, my next year's New Year resolution will be that. If you're always putting the same thing on your resolution, it's time to look within yourself and realize why you're not achieving these things. Is it because you're putting unrealistic things, or are you simply just not working hard enough to be able to get those things? Sometimes you actually can achieve and tick off all your resolutions if you use your time wisely. Set in a plan and distinguish how you're going to get there. When you put your goals, remember your goals are not just wish lists. This is something that you're trying to actually attain. So make it realistic and make a plan of how to get there and what you're willing to do to put all your effort into it. Don't think that you've got time, because time can be taken away from you at any moment. You don't know when you go, so you want to be able to have done your best, put your effort into it, lived a wholehearted life and used your time efficiently. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.